twine. So today is the 5th birthday of our daughter and we are here as a family. Well, my husband and my son are getting some sandwiches, but we have had breakfast at home. Our daughter had her presents and everything, people who are coming over for her birthday are coming in the afternoon. So now we have a few hours left and we have her cake smash. So it's just gonna be the 4 of us here in the studio and I'm gonna set up and I have the most beautiful boho themed cake smash cake. And I'm gonna show you her dress and everything. I have some fresh eucalyptus, I have fresh flowers. Well, no, it's the day before the photo session and I just went to my flower shop next door and I bought some flowers, some roses, just some different colors. I really like this like old pink color, and there's like a light purple one there as well. I like the white flowers too. I paid for all these roses together €2. It's such a cheap shop. And the other flowers were $3.50. So I have them here in the studio right now. Because tomorrow when we do the photo session, like the boho themed cake smash session with my 5-year-old, the flower shop will be closed because it's closed on Sunday. So that's why I went today. Here we go. Today's the day. And today's my daughter's 5th birthday. So I'm gonna cut off some eucalyptus branch and I'm gonna first photograph the cake with some different backgrounds so I can add them to my website, and then we're gonna see how she's gonna eat a little bit of her birthday cake. She's not gonna completely smash it. She's 4, well, she's turning 5, so she's not gonna smash her cake. She's just gonna be photographed with her cake. She's gonna take a few bites, then we're gonna head home. Well, I have some macaroons as well for her so she can eat those. Then we're gonna head home and we're gonna eat the cake in the afternoon with the people who are coming over to celebrate her birthday. So here we have the beautiful cake. This flour is made from fondant, so she can actually eat it. And then I'm gonna add some real flowers. Here I have the real flowers which I bought yesterday. Here I have one set up and I'm gonna change it in a second. But anyway, here I have her dress. So this is from the Zara and it's just a beautiful dress. We already went outside to take some photos in the floral circle and she was wearing this dress as well. I really want it in my size. I wish they would sell these kind of dresses for adults as well. And then especially when you have a daughter, you can wear like a mom-daughter dress. But anyway, I just love it. Okay, so I'm planning on photographing the cake with 3 different backgrounds because I want to shift more towards the boho themed cake smashes and not so much the bright and colorful cake smash sessions. So I need some examples on my website and this is just the perfect cake. So on AliExpress I ordered a little banner with which says 1, but in these really beautiful boho kind of letters. So yeah, my daughter is not turning 1, she's turning 5. I'm just gonna borrow her cake for a second and take a photo with these letters. 1 in the background, like on a string. So that will be one background that the parents can choose from. And then I also have these glass jars. I bought a few. These ones were like 60 cents and this one was like €1. And I have some like old mayonnaise jars as well. Which I cleaned, and I want to hang them in the background, maybe with like a burlap string, and then have a little bit of water and some flowers in there. So you have different vases of flowers hanging in the background. Yeah, and then I might add like a green garland. I don't have feathers here right now. I ordered some on AliExpress. I thought they were like this size and they turned out to be that size. Yeah, I think parents can imagine what it would look like and then I can create it for them. So anyway, I'm gonna set up for the cake. So here I have my cake stand, my new wooden cake stand. I really like it. It does have some blue cake still on it, because yeah, it's hard to clean. That's the hard part. But anyway, so now I'm just going to put the cake on top of the cake stand. Just shows you how simple it can be. A few balloons. You can also have these transparent balloons with confetti, which I bought and I forgot at home, so my husband is picking them up. But this is it. Ones are just having a pre-shoot snack. Okay, so in a previous video I showed you how to make like a garland. I used my garland in my floral circles. Now I don't have my garland anymore, but I do have some other garlands which I just bought ready-made, and I can just hang them in the background. So I'm gonna do that as a third Boho Decor. You can also go for a fourth one, which is just a plain background without anything. And well, the most favorite one I'm gonna create in a second. So first I'm gonna take a photo with a garland. This is just another background. I've extended the garlands with just a little bit of rope, and then I put one piece of rope to the top. You could do like this transparent nylon thread, which you can use to make jewelry, and then you won't see the line. I tried to order that, but it came in, like it's gonna come next week. So now I've just used some burlap, but you can Photoshop it out. But here you get the cake, and then with the background. So what I'm doing for my last setup is that I put a piece of twine around this empty glass. And make sure that before it's really tight, I'm gonna add like a large piece of twine around it. And just make it nice and secure on one side of that twine. Then the other side, I will put it on the other side of the twine. And then I will later pull the one that is shorter, and just around the glass I'll pull it tight. And then like these ones you can just shift so it's in the middle. I'm gonna secure this one even tighter. I mean, there might be other ways to do this, but for now this seems the most logic to me. Just gonna tie it around it, and then fill them with a little bit of water and some flowers, and then hang them in the background. This is my third background for now. What you can also do is put another background system a little bit to the front, and then make sure that the glass flowers are not touching the background system but are hanging a little bit to the front. But for now I'm just going to take a photo with the cake and see what it looks like. So we're back home. We're gonna eat these macaroons. Then I'm gonna pick up some cakes with my daughter, and then in the afternoon people will come over and they will definitely enjoy her birthday cake, which she just had a little bit off in front of the camera. So we just went to the store to print some photos. 5 years old, 4-year-old, 3-year-old, 2 years old, and 1-year-old. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a thumbs up. And then I'll see you in the comments. You'll see me in my next video. We're gonna have a party. So we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna go outside. It's beautiful weather. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.